5 minutes away lang mula dun sa hotel na. Tingnan nyo yung ulap, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Good morning! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Ay, aga namin time check 5. Wait lang, anong oras na ba? 5:40 ata. 5:43. 5:43 ng umaga and kami ay naglalakad papunta dun sa sunrise view. 5 minutes away lang mula dun sa hotel na tinutuluyan namin. And then ang sunrise kasi is 6 o'clock. So, kailangan maaga kami. Abangan namin ang sunrise. Ayun. Tara, sama kayo. Nauna na sila. Ayun si Champ. Grabe ang lamig. 12 degree. So, eto ang ating. Tingnan nyo dun. Oh. Lakad lang tayo. So, ayan. Andito na kami. Malapit lang. You don't feel cold? Oh, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Huh? Sit there. Let's sit down. Oh, wala. Tingnan nyo yung ulap. Oh, paganda. Hintay tayo ng sunset. Ay, sunrise. Ayan, dumarami na yung tao. Kanina konti pa lang. Ngayon medyo marami-rami na. So, malapit na mag-sunrise. Hintayin natin. Excited ako. Yan oh. Lumilinaw na. Wow. Pakaganda. Amazing. Alam nyo, eto, puro clouds yan. Ayan. Ito din. Kanina, pagdating namin, medyo malabo pa. Ngayon, lumiliwanag na. So, ayan, pasikat na yung araw and may buwan pa sa taas. Ayan, oh. Kita niyo ba? Pakaganda. Tingnan niyo. Tuwan-tuwa ako dito. Puro clouds yan, oh. Ayan na. Sumisilay na ang haring araw. So beautiful. Pakaganda. Dilaw na dilaw siya. Kung nakikita niyo mga kulay white na yan, mountain ranges. Ayun, banda roon. Oh, tingnan niyo. Ang ganda ng araw. Tingnan niyo, oh. Tignan nyo doon, oh, yung bundok. Kitang-kita na siya. Wow. So, ayan na. Tumaas na ang araw. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung view. Andito kami ngayon sa Nagarkot. Ayun, oh. So, ito ang ating view. Napakagandang view. Ayan. Sinaw yung ano. Tingin tayo dito banda. Yan. Against the light tayo. Oops. Over there. Ayan yung sea of clouds. Choo. Ayan. Pakaganda. Tapos, hindi kita yung mountain. Pero ayan, kung nakikita niyo mga kulay white na yan, mountain ranges. Ayun, banda roon. Oh, tingnan niyo. Diba? Ayan na. Mataas na. Mataas na yung araw. Ayan, oh. So, I think we've seen enough. Nasa napakagandang view na to ng sunrise mula dito sa Nagarkot. Tara na, balik na tayo. Ayan, pabalik na tayo ng hotel. Na-enjoy natin ang view. Busy. O di ba yung ambience parang sa Teratum lang din no, na naglalakad tayo sa Tuluban. May mga hotels doon no. Resort. Amen. Ay. Ah, yeah. Tingnan nyo. O yan o. Ganyan sila mag-store ng
What is that planting?
saan?
The plant. That yellow.
Mustard?
No,
What's that?
that one is, I think, dal.
Dal?
Dal or filunge.
What is filonge?
Filunge is like a, same like a I don't know, not in the mustard category. I don't know which category.
Ah. So, ayun. Ito yung hotel namin. Dito kami nag-stay. Ayun yung aming room. Ayan. Ito yung name ng hotel. Village View. Hotel Village View, Nagarkot. Against the light pala tayo. Ayaw. So, pagpasok, yan. Reception.
So how is your this Nagarkot experience?
It was really good. It was worth coming over here. And I would like to come back again.
So which thing is the most beautiful thing?
The sunrise over here is just amazing.
And Jump, how do you find the Nagarkot trip?
Yeah, it was fun. It was worth coming here.
So what is the most beautiful part of this visit?
The sunrise and the sunset.
Am I?
Yes.
So how do you find the Nagarkot trip?
Oh, it's very nice.
So what is the best part?
The best part, traveling and today sunrise. Actually, I booked this Nagarkot because of that sunrise. So when I saw in their that Nagarkot trip, the sunrise was amazing. I booked this trip. And since these two Gen Z is their trip to Mustang has been postponed. So I thought that they might enjoy this trip.
Their trip is Yarika.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, SL Nepal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.